This is my 1984 DR250S, fully restored, custom wheel decals, new side covers, metallic pearl white 2-pack paint, CNC bits and pieces, totally restored. As a matter of fact, it's got a freshened up top end and I haven't even run it in yet. I've only ridden it around the backyard. Pirelli MT21 Tyres, new heat shield installed behind here. I'll give it a kick. It hasn't been warmed up. I'll give it a kick. Usually starts first or second kick. Quite happy with the way it turned out. Quite a nice bike. It's also got the tool pouch right there. I put more modern indicators. I didn't like the big round ugly things. Probably can't see the metallic in the paint, but when the sun's out, it's got a beautiful look to it. Anyway, this was my COVID project. It's done.